Hi everybody, in Ogden painting some doors and in a closet and stuff in a bathroom. But these doorknobs I only came across once or twice in 20 years painting, so I thought I'd show you. Little Allen screw there. You don't even unscrew it, you screw it in. You screw that screw in, knob pops off. Then you take this plate off. And the screws are underneath there. Oh, if I can get this plate off one-handed. Come on. There we go. Plate comes off. Then, oh, the screws are on the other side. But yeah, the screws come out, and then that comes apart in 3 pieces. So, always dropping these things. Both those screws there, you take that apart, and you got this piece, that piece, and that piece. So, in case you didn't know, that's how these come off.